Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some tips to fix error code CE-34335-8 on PlayStation 4. So, the first thing you should do is turn off PS4 by press the power button for 1 second until the system beeps to turn off it. After that, unplug the power cord from the socket for 30 seconds, and then plug in back. Turn on PS4 and see if this helps you. If the problem still appears, then the next thing you need to do is check the internal storage of the PS4 and make sure the cables are well connected to the drive. For how to remove the PS4's internal hard drive, please refer to the link in the description. After remove the PS4's internal hard drive is done. On your hard drive, just clean off the connection pieces by use a soft, dry cloth to carefully wipe as follows. Once done, reset the internal storage of the PS4 and see if problem is fixed. If you are still experiencing issues, the HDD could be corrupted or faulty. Usually, you shouldn't worry much if you don't hear any noise coming out from the hard drive. Try connecting the PS4's internal hard drive to the computer, then formatting it. If you are still experiencing issues, try with the internal hard drive. I advise getting in touch with the nearby Sony service center if the issue continues.